In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to get a Chase Freedom Flex credit card. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser and then go up to creditcards.chase.com. I'll also put a link to it down in the description. From here, it should look something like this. And here you can choose Chase Freedom Flex credit card up here. And you can see you can earn a $200 bonus if you spend $500 in the first 3 months of opening this credit card. From here, you can either apply by signing in, which is a lot faster, or you can apply as a guest. And if you click apply as a guest, over here a new tab will pop up. And here you can see you'll have to enter your personal information, like your first name, middle name, last name, suffix, either one of these. If you have one of those, identification, you'll need to add your date of birth, your mother's maiden name, and of course your tax ID type, either your social security number or your individual tax ID number. From here, you'll also need to add in your social security number, your home address, your contact information, and all of these other information that Chase needs to you before you can apply for this credit card. From here, you'll need to add the authentication for the Social Security Administration to disclose your social security number verification. And here you need to check the X box so you can provide electronic signature for your authentication above. From here, you'll need to add in your financial info, like what type of residence you own, either owning, renting, or other. And if you click other, you can see here the monthly housing payments. And if you click own and rent, you can see also housing payments over here. From here, you can also add in your employment status, either employed, self-employed, unemployed, or other, or you can add in your total gross annual income right here. From here, you will also add in authorized users, and you can add 5 authorized users to your account, where they'll send you an individual card for each one of the users. And you can do that by clicking here. And if you do that, you'll need to add in these details here about this specific user and then click add down here. And down here, you'll also be able to add the balance transfer. And here, if you click on add balance transfer, you'll be able to add an account number and the amount of dollars that you want to have over to your new Freedom card. From here, you'll just need to click add. From here, you can also add if it should be a paperless statement, either paperless or non-paperless, meaning that you will get the actual statement in the mail. Down here, you can see the price and terms and conditions where you can download it if you want to do that, and you can read a lot about it if you want to do that. I highly advise you do, but it is up to you. From here, you'll also see the certifications, and from here, you can click I have read and agree to the above, and click submit. From here, you will go into a page where it's gonna ask you a couple more questions, and then from there, you will send the application to Chase. From here, they can go up to 2 weeks before you actually get the agreement if you have or have not successfully got approved for the Chase Freedom Flex card. Then from there, you'll get the card and then you'll be done. And that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!